how we made over $4,200 in 2 days with TikTok affiliate marketing, promoting digital manifestation offer. Now, as you can see over here in this video, right, those are the results over here today and yesterday. Now, what matters the most, let me show over here, is understanding how this all takes place. Okay, I was not running any ads, zero ads, zero ad spend. Okay, no paid traffic, because my strategy is like this: 1 week I'm running ads, 1 week not. So 1 week on, 1 week off, right? Later you will know why, but as you can see over here, right, my views are down. And the reason why is because I was for 1 week, 7 days straight not running any ads, zero ad spends. You can see I still got 5,300 likes and 360 comments over here and 63 shares, right, which is really great. Now, out of that, if you're promoting products on ClickBank as an affiliate, it matters who is your audience, because everyone thinks you need to have viral videos, you need to have millions of views to make a lot of money, which is not true. There are people with 100 views, 500 views, and getting 500, 600 US dollars per day commissions as an affiliate on ClickBank. Okay? Because once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, hand-holding you, and show exactly, not outdated courses, not what used to work few months ago or years ago, but what is working right now in 2025, in February 2025. Okay, so this is very important. Let me show you over here, right? Before I go into it, you can reach out to me later over on my Instagram over here, as you can see, right? So all these results are possible because of affiliate marketing, being super affiliate, right? Working 30 minutes to 1 hour per day at max, right? Checking campaigns. So as you can see over here, those are the results that can happen as well for you. But now let me go straight into it. Let me show you exactly how this works, okay? Very important is this to do your math. If you want to make $100,000 per year, okay, you need to break it down to simple math, which is around $300 US per day. I'm sure you have made 300 US dollars in a day before. The only game, the secret, is to make it sustainable, profitable every single day. Okay? You can see on TikTok, people are in the buyer state. Most of the gurus on ClickBank are teaching you the wrong BS method, which is just put some curiosity-based ads on Facebook or YouTube and hope it works. Or landing page on ClickFunnels and hope people are curious enough. Yes, they are curious. Your click-through rate will be very high, but your sales conversion is going to be very low. And it's not your fault. You can see over here, right, on TikTok, I can confirm this does wonders for acne scars. When we promote skin products from ClickBank, right, 1,000 people liked it. It's free traffic. People are sharing, engagement. In 2025, you're going to get TikTok algorithm and algorithm for Google as well push you out for free. So you can see, right, you don't need to have a lot of sales. 2 sales per week, for example, with upsell take rate for $500 on ClickBank, you're making 4,000 US dollars per month or 1,000 US dollars per week, right? So you can see this, what we got done together over a Zoom call 2 to 3 times per week. We connect, we get it up and running. Now you don't have to spend a lot of money on ad spend. I'm giving you also my personal buyers list, which will help you to get fast track results and fast forward yourself to get better results without having to spend a lot of money on ads up front. Okay? So those are the results that are possible, the freedom that's possible, the dreams that are possible for you. If you like to travel, if you like to do anything you want with your family, you can see it over here. Yes, it's doable, it's possible. Once you have someone who can finally help you to get up and running in 2025. Again, you don't need to invest a lot of time. Some money and a little bit of time, right? And this can work for you if you have a laptop. Doesn't matter, are you in India, China, Japan, Australia, or Canada, or Africa, doesn't matter, Europe, everywhere in the world. Even if you're a beginner, even if you're a total beginner, yes, it can work for you. If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, and if you can follow simple instructions together. Because I believe in personal relationship, personal connection. Once we network together, we get it up and running, and then you can get results. Okay? And the best part is, you don't have to pitch your friends and family. This is not network marketing. This is not Amway. This is not MLM. Okay? And you don't have to show your own personal face on camera and your name. No. This is faceless. Okay? Faceless TikTok channel. Now, if you want to get these kind of results, as you can see over here, have the freedom and make at least, let's say, $350 to $500 or even $1,000 per day on ClickBank, let me know. Connect with me one-on-one. My WhatsApp, yes, my personal number is in the description under this video. My Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, and my email. Reach out one-on-one to me, but please only if you're serious. If you're not serious, if you're a procrastinator, if you're making excuses, if you don't take any action, it's gonna be a waste of time for you and me. So please, my friend, as you watch this video, if you really want to succeed in affiliate marketing and want to get these kind of results, let me know. Let's connect one-on-one. All the links are in the description below.